2012 Jeep Compass, 2.4 liter all-wheel drive. If anyone's doing the exhaust manifold, here's the tip. Not a complete job. It's back here. It's going to come out through here. You got 4 10mm bolts on the top. You got what I had was a 13mm here bolt, 2 14mm nuts, then 4 14mm nuts underneath, which I got from below. Ended up taking the valve cover off. That is what I did, which is my real tip. Took the 3 bolts here off the engine, 3 bolts off the mount, slid the engine forward. I had an engine jack underneath the engine and lowered it down as far as it would go. 2 13mm bolts here. A pain in the butt. There's a bracket up there. $10mm bolts right here, 2 of them. I think that's a 16mm, then a 13mm at the other end. And I took out this bolt here, I think 18mm, and these 2 bolts, I think 16mm a guess. So this all was hanging down. I had my support right here. Everything came down. Pulled the engine as far forward as I could, and I was able to sneak it out the top there. It was a tight fit still, but it did come out. So that is a quick tip, quick video on replacing the exhaust manifold / catalytic converter in 2012 Jeep Compass. Good luck to you out there. Spray everything down with some lubricant, rust penetrant first.